Today, I'm taking you on a world tour of shopping centers housed inside architectural marvels, places where retail lives inside history. If you love travel and design, hit like and subscribe for more. Let's start in Paris, at Galeries Lafayette. In 1912, they built an Art Nouveau dream, crowned by a stained glass dome that floods light into every floor. It's retail as theater, still breathtaking a century later. Now to Cartagena, Colombia, Las Bóvedas. These 18th century vaults were built into the city's fortified walls. Once munitions depots and later prisons, today they're lined with colorful souvenir shops. In Budapest, an old warehouse on the Danube got a second life as the Balna, or Whale. A flowing glass and steel atrium now wraps the brick heritage, mirroring the river's motion, across the Silk Road to Samarkand's Registan in Uzbekistan. After Soviet-era neglect, meticulous restoration brought back the turquoise domes and gilded ceilings of its three grand madrasas. Today, their courtyards are lined with artisan stalls. London Calling, Battersea Power Station. This Art Deco giant once powered a fifth of the city. Decommissioned and nearly doomed, an ambitious reinvention turned its massive turbine halls into a luxury mall in 2022. In Savage, Maryland, this 19th century mill once wove canvas for ship sails and army tents. After a historic rescue, it's now a maze of small shops and local makers. And in Lisbon, the LX factory. Once a humming industrial complex, it's now a creative village under the 25 de Abril Bridge, home to startups, street art, and hip cafes. When cities save their icons and rethink their purpose, everybody wins. We keep the soul, add the buzz, and get places worth remembering. Which one are you visiting first? Drop your pick in the comments. If you enjoyed this tour, like, share, and subscribe to Trailvia channel for more. Thanks for watching.